Hey everyone, Irit here, and I'm happy to participate in the Come to My Window Mixed Media Hop. Make sure you check out all the other great people participating in the hop. I will leave all the links below. My personal take on the theme is to share with you some of my personal favorite ways of including windows in my art journals or traveler's notebook inserts. So I'm going to start with showing you a few designs from already finished art journals, and then we're going to make a couple together and I'll guide you through the whole process. I just find windows to be a really fun interactive element, kind of invites you into the journal, see what's on the next page. So I think they're really fun to include in your own projects. I hope you'll be inspired. Let's get started. This is in my Dilutions journal. So here's a really fun design with lots of windows. And you could add all kinds of things, like you could add some cute creatures here or faces or something like that, just like peeking through. I think that would look super cute. But this is the basic design, and I went for color, kind of like a rainbow thing. So obviously you could add more everywhere here. But yeah, this is the basic idea, and it was just really fun to make and really simple, and yeah, it's just a fun element in your journal. So that's one. And then something kind of, I guess, similar, which I show exactly how I made it in one of my classes, I will link you below, is this one, which has like this rainbow design. And again, like all the pages are somewhat decorated. I just wrote the colors, the names of the colors, nothing too, you know, nothing too creative. Like you don't need some major concept or some amazing drawing skills to do something like this. And I think it's just such a cute element. And then the most recent one that I made, I created this little insert for my pocket size traveler's notebook, and the one I made here, and I'm super happy with how it turned out. This is the page, and I had these cute characters. There's another one on the other side of this page. So this is the window, and I just punched it. And then I covered it with some bag that I had, like a scrap of this cute little bag that had these tiny hearts, and then I stitched it. So when you flip through it, you can see the girly. And, well, also you could make it so that there's something fitting on both sides of this. So also here you could put something. I just didn't think about it until just now. And then if I look at exactly the same papers on the other side, I actually chose this paper because the color was, you know, a really great match. And only then I thought about that window idea. So again, you have the window that shows the girl, you can kind of get a peek at it. And there you go. So now I'm going to make another one. And it's also going to have like a thing to it, like you'll get it when I start showing you. So yeah, let's do that. So the idea here is that I want to kind of scrapbook or journal this photo that I took. It's like a selfie that I took, and I met up with a friend, hi Eva, and I tried on her amazing, gorgeous Jimmy Choo sunglasses that she got on sale. And I totally fell in love with them, and I wanted at least the photo. So I also added in the Sprocket is my pocket printer, and I added the Not My Jimmy Choo. And what I want to do is put it in my journal in a way that when you look through the window, you're going to see the My Jimmy Choo, and then when you flip the page, you can see the Not My Jimmy Choos. I really want to put this in this insert, but it's mostly full, so I don't have really any like 2 pages that are blank. I thought I could do this here and then somehow figure out exactly how much I need to cut here so that only the part that I want showing will show. But what I'm thinking is a much easier solution is to add the window as a tip-in, and then I don't have to fuss with all this, even though I do like the idea. I really like how that looks, so I'm thinking that's going to be my base page, and then I'm going to add the tip-in, and then it'll make life so much easier because I can just place it correctly. So I think I'll just speed you up because I'm horrible at talking through what I'm doing as I'm doing it. It'll be better for all of us. Okay, so this is the size that I'm going to go for, and I really like the stripe. I'm scared of craft knives, but in the name of YouTube and art, we will conquer this. So I think you could probably do this also with scissors. Let's take a look if we got it right. Yeah, that looks good. So I'm going to decorate this page a little bit, and then I'm going to add the tip-in. I ran this through my sewing machine just to add some detail, and because the back is kind of boring, I'll probably add some stickers or washi, or just, you know, somehow decorate it and add a little bit more stability to it. Wow, this is beautiful. I got this tape at this meetup that I went to with these lovely women that were all into journaling, and it's like really almost like paper. I love it. So this also secures the stitch a bit. Not that it's something that I need to be secured, but yeah, it can't hurt. Hope I got it close enough. And now I can add this tip-in, so it can open like this or like this. So I'm just going to use this washi because I really like it. And again, just making sure the placement is correct. And now carefully add it. And that is it. You can add another piece of tape here. Maybe I'll do that. That's it. How cute is that? If I do say so myself. And now I can add my journaling here, and we're done. I want to show you another quick idea that I thought it would be fun to include. So again, I'm using my junk journal. It's just such a fun little thing to work in, and I found these 2 pages where there's this cute kitty here. So I'm thinking I want to do a window that when it opens, you can see the little kitty. And the way I'm going to simply do this is, I hate measuring stuff, so I'm not going to measure stuff. But kind of, I just want to mark general lines. And the important thing here is to we're just going to make 3 lines. So this is going to be the top of our little window, and then of course you can measure it if you want, but you know me, I just wing it. This is going to be the bottom, and then we're just going to open it, and that is it for our cute little window. Again, you can kind of reinforce it with stitching if you want. I think what I'm going to do is just add some lines, and I want to put some under it, some piece of paper, just so I don't accidentally color the cute kitty, just to give the whole thing a little bit of a definition. And then I can go in with my pen. And I did not plan this, I'm just kind of winging it, because why not? And now I'll go in with my pen. That's it. My little window is done, and I think it looks super cute. And of course, this whole page is not done. I will come back to it when I start filling out this insert. But for now, I have this cute little detail here. So thank you for watching. Check out the other people participating in the hop and show them some love. And I'll see you soon in another video. Thanks for watching. Bye.